What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers, and today I just wanted to do a little video talking about wholesale programs. Now, Brian from PokeNE put out a video, and I don't want to sound like I'm Mr. Hey, you're wrong. My program's good. Don't bash wholesale programs. I watched the video. He's got a lot of really good points, and I don't really disagree with him. However, I do want to talk about the wholesale program that I'm in because I do think it's an outlier. I think it's an incredible program, even though I don't utilize it the way it should be, and I might be paying the price for it, which we'll talk about. To touch on the point that Brian was making, but the situation that I'm in is a little different, and I really can't be mad. So I'm just gonna talk about it. I am a member of PokemartUSA's Eli from PokemartUSA, his wholesale program. Now, it's I believe I pay $95 a month. It used to be 100. He's whatever. It's like $95 a month. I don't know if it's more for new members, but I'm locked in at $95 a month. What do you get with this program? Now, I've been a member of this program for months now. I pay him every month, and I really don't order anything. Now, he made it very clear when he started the program, and he lets anybody who joins the program know that he runs an allocation system himself. What that means is he's had 100% allocation for everything that we've ordered. Now, he has a separate distributor for the wholesale program. He has a storefront and he has his distributor for that, but he has like almost a second account with the same distributors for the wholesale program. From what I understand, I could be wrong, but from what I understand, we are like the wholesale program is its own entity. He's had 100% allocation rate. I could be fudging some of the numbers, but he gets like probably I don't even know if I'm supposed to be saying this. I don't think it's a big deal, but he gets like 100% allocation of like a couple thousand, like 3-4 thousand boxes, right? So he's getting 100% allocation rate for all of his booster box cases, his ETB cases. Everybody pretty much gets everything that they want. But he's made it clear from day one that there will be a time where he cannot meet everybody's demands. And when that time comes, he's going to have to run an allocation system based on the spend. Now, the whole purpose of the program is to not only for me to get access to wholesale and distribution prices through the wholesale program, but it's to grow his business as well. It's to grow the whole purpose of being a part of it is to grow the wholesale program. Like you don't join the whole purpose of his wholesale program specifically is to grow and to get more. And I will say everybody I have not contributed to the growth of the program the way I should have, the way I should have been. I haven't been spending. I pretty much just buy my pre-order cases. I just pre-order my cases every release. But that's not how he runs his spend rate. So everybody pretty much gets what they're entitled to for the pre-orders as of lately. But he doesn't count what you spend for pre-orders in your allocation rate. That doesn't count. He provides an order list with each of his 4 distributors and everything that's available. And everything is marked either pre-order or limited or sale or open order. And the open orders, the sales, and I think the limited quantity items are all included. So now, if you're only purchasing things at the release of every set, unfortunately, you have no allocation spend. Now I'm finding myself in a situation that I am upset and I'm kind of annoyed, but things have been disclosed. Technically, I mean, he said that this new members are going to get a 1 case minimum for these sets. The problem with Prismatic Evolutions, he's not going to be able to fulfill all these sets. I don't know if you've heard, but this set's going crazy. And something that he has gotten 100% allocation for, ETBs, the wholesale program ordered, from what I understand, 40,000 cases. He's not getting that, and he knows he's not getting that. And that's why he has said from the beginning that this is going to be the way things are. Allocation spend is going to dictate what you're allocated. Not allocation spend, I'm sorry. Program spend is going to dictate what you're allocated. Fair is fair. However, my only gripe is, like Brian did say, even though I haven't spent and I haven't contributed my fair share, I have been paying every month for like the past, whatever it is, 6, 7, 8 months, 9 months, maybe a year now. I don't even know. I might not be getting any prismatic evolutions. And the people that did just join the program, I believe they are going to get their one case minimum. So now I have to spend, I believe, like $5,000 on product that's not even the new stuff. Like I have to go and order things that's unopened. Like, you know, and there's money to be made there, but I don't know. The wholesale program is very good if you're moving and selling a lot of stuff. Is it the best for a side hustle? I'm not so sure, especially in times like this, because you can't expect to join a wholesale program like this and just be fed whatever you want. Because in this program, he does take care of his biggest members. I guess I could say it because it's public stuff, but like Alex from Nostalgianomics, he's also part of the program. He says it in his videos, so it's not like I'm outing the guy. He's got way more. If you're seeing this, you've definitely seen his videos. He orders a ton of stuff. He does his rip and ships. He's going to probably get his full allocation rate. He's put probably thousands. I mean, I might be able to you could see what people spend because the list is public. So if I wanted to, I could go be a total creep and be like, ooh, let me see how much he's spending. Let me see how much he's spending. I don't think anybody's doing that. I don't think anybody even gives a shit what other people are spending. People might look at the ranking list to see where they are. So I guess you might know the people that are in your general area, like if you're like climbing the ladder, so to say, like you know the people that are, above you and below you, like what they spend about. But if you're not checking the list, you don't. It's not like you know what everybody's spending. You're not going around. People aren't doing that. I don't think, at least. But why should I get? I upped my order to 3 cases. I usually get a case of whatever, case of booster case or ETB case, depending on if it's a mainline set or a specialty set. Never ordered more than one. This time I ordered 3. Why? Because the item's so hot, I'd be stupid not to. Why should somebody who's put 40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000 into the program not get what they ordered? Because I, who have not contributed at all, wants more than I usually get. I personally feel I should at least get 1 case, even though I haven't spent $5,000 in the past, 3 months? I still feel like I deserve at least 1 case. I'm sorry. Whatever. Eli, if you hear this, you hear this. If not, it is what it is. Life goes on. But these things were discussed. Wholesale programs could be great, especially Eli, PokemartUSA. I'm completely shilling his shit right now because the program is completely worth it. I mean, he's got Magic, he's got Yu-Gi-Oh, he's got pretty sure he's got Japanese Pokemon now. He's obviously got Pokemon. I believe this might be a total lie. He might have had access to Metazoo. I believe he has access to Lorcana. It's a good program. I know he mentioned one time he might have been working on sports. I don't know if he is, but I remember people were asking him about sports, so he might have at least looked into it. I don't know if that's coming or not. But I figured I just finished watching Brian. I just finished watching his video. Thought it was pretty interesting, his take, and he's got a lot of good points, and I think he's right. He's probably 100% right for some of these programs. That's why I just wanted to get on here and be like, hey, even though the program I'm pretty sure is full right now and you can't get a spot, it's a program worth keeping your eye on because if a spot does open up, even if I think he might have upped the ante for how much the monthly subscription is because it is worth it and it is sought after. This is a program that's actually worth looking into. You can make money with this program, especially if you're hustling. You're hustling and bustling. He's got everything. This is a good program. They're not all terrible. I would probably say a good 90% of them are shitty and grimy and don't care about their top contributors and don't care if everybody gets what they ordered and don't care about oversaturating their own little thing because their money is in the monthly subscriptions. I will say I think Eli is better than that, and I think he's proven to be better than that. He's looking to open a second location, increase shipping times. He's constantly negotiating better rates for us, better shipping rates for us. The kid is a stud. The kid's an all-star. I hate watching him because he's younger than me and I'm jealous. But he does it right. He does everything good. This is just a straight up shout out pretty much to Eli from PokemartUSA. You're looking for a distribution program, wholesale prices, or wholesale program distribution prices with some minor fees. I believe a booster case cost me with shipping, I think $93 a box shipped to me. It's pretty goddamn fucking good, considering Surging Sparks is selling for almost 200 a week later. This is why it's worth spending the money and increasing your allocation and your spend rate. Because now, when Team Rocket, here comes Team Rocket, whatever the hell the name of the set's going to be, and that set comes out, if I decide I want to go crazy and order 5 cases, I'm definitely not going to get 5 cases because you think somebody like Alex from Nostalgianomics is not going to order 100 cases because he needs them. And I don't blame him. I'm not even trying to talk shit. He needs them. He could use them. He'll get rid of them. He'll go through them. He'll get rid of them in his Ripper ships. You know how easy it would be for him to get rid of a whole... He could probably double his order. He's complaining about how much Surging Sparks he got because it's so valuable. Imagine Team Rocket, when people start blowing their mind. Imagine this Prismatic Evolutions, when people start blowing their mind over these Sylveons and Espeons and all these evolutions. People are going to go crazy. The hobby is going crazy, and it is such a good time to have access to sealed product. And the wholesale program is the way to do it. I got in early. I probably got in. I'm just going to say about a year ago. Probably should have stepped my shit up. I probably should have been ordering more for times like this. I should have been ready for times like this because it seems like even though I've been contributing to the program at the bare minimum, I'm not going to get what I think I might have been able to get. It's kind of crazy. Having ordered 40,000 ETBs through the program is bonkers. It's bonkers. That's so crazy that we as it's only like 120 people, I believe. Like 150 people, maybe 150 people. 40,000 cases. That's crazy. That's crazy. But I just wanted to touch on the wholesale program that I'm a part of. I think it's fantastic. If it sounds like it's for you, go check out Eli, PokemartUSA, right on YouTube. Phoenix Card Shop. He's got his own card shop. He's out in Arizona. Definitely look into it if you're interested. And if you're a part of the program, let me know. We've been brothers in arms for the past couple months, and I didn't even know it. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Just ask me down in the comments. If I could get you a link to, maybe I'll put a link down to his YouTube down in the comments. But yeah, these are my thoughts. I just wanted to get it out there. Watch Brian Pokiani's video, and I just wanted to get my thoughts on it because I am a part of the program, and I just wanted to say that even though he's right, some of them are good. Just figured I'd shout out my own. So thanks for stopping by. This is my video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.